Just got nostalgic for Turkey. This was my brand of coffee there. Good morning. I feel like Santa in these hostel bed sheets. I wouldn't normally show you a bathroom, except look, it's a proper hammam. First trip outside in non-cycling clothes, and my baggy trousers were ruled unacceptable, so I've got this exciting triple pattern combination happening. It feels a bit saucy having my toes out actually, but I'm told that's fine. This is a Turkish-speaking region of Iran, so I understand a tiny bit of what's being called out. In a country famous for carpets, Tabriz's are considered exceptional. Changing money is as stressful here as anywhere, I guess. I held my breath when the guy left the office with my €100 note until he returned with 250s. Salam! I've no idea what's in this drink, but it's delicious. After a couple of days in the hostel, I was adopted via Instagram by a cyclist and his family. You've come for a picnic?
Yes, picnic in the elderly in city of Tabriz. You are welcome. Everything, see this picture, this videos. I will thank you, all of them. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
At the weekends, the whole of Tabriz is walking around this small park called Elgili. A really good kebab. Very juicy. This is the village of Chandavan, where the locals are still living and now catering to tourists out of caves in the rock. Merci Ahmet.
Ya Allah. Ulan ne?
One last home cooked meal and then it's time to hit the road tomorrow.